Libratone, the Danish company behind the adorably bright portable speakers like the One Click, has announced its Zipp and Zipp Mini wireless speaker, and is adding Alexa voice support to both. The Zipp 2 has a longer battery life of 12 hours, but aesthetically, it maintains the same design, with its characteristic leather loop that allows you to hang the speaker anywhere. This is useful if you plan to take the speaker outdoors and want to hang it on a beach umbrella, your bike or a tree branch. The round design provides 360-degree audio. The Zipp 2 connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and also has compatibility with AirPlay 2, so you can have your integration with Siri and HomeKit. Spotify Connect, DLNA, 3.5mm mini plug and a USB port ensure that you can connect and play in almost any way. You can connect up to 10 of them to your home, which can be useful if you use it as a smart home center with Alexa. Zipp 2 and Zipp Mini 2 come in 4 colors: frosty gray, black, cranberry red and pine green.